Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best PC cases.
Starting at number 5.
Lian Li PC011. Ian Li's PC011 Dynamic has been a staple, go-to PC case for pretty builds in recent years, but its days might be numbered. The 011D Mini was inspired by its design, but had a few issues. But now, the 011 Air Mini comes in as a brilliant alternative. Priced at just $110, you get a lot for your money with this case, including 3 PWM fans, bits of pretty aluminum, a glass panel, handsome looks, plentiful I/O, a brilliant internal design and full ATX compatibility. The chassis features an unusual side-by-side chambered design, but building in it is a breeze and its performance is well up to snuff by modern standards. With this many features, great handsome styling, and such value for money, it's a case that easily earns its place on this list.
Coming at number 4.
Lian Li Lancool 216. With a starting price of just $100, or $15 more if you want to add an RGB controller and more USB ports, Lian Li Lancool 216 delivers some of the excellent design features of its pricier 011D Evo and Lancool 3 cases, while adding a nifty PCIe fan mount and large 160mm RGB intake fans. The top I/O can be moved to the left side, near the bottom, if you're going to keep the case on your desk. The Lancool 216 isn't a quiet case, but its thermal performance is excellent, especially if you add a rear 120mm below the GPU mounts, via the included bracket. There are hundreds of cases around the $100 price point, but the 216 stands out thanks to novel features for its price, great airflow, and solid design, with superb cable routing. We just wish an extra fan for the PCIe bracket were included in the price.
At number 3.
Phanteks Eclipse G360A. Phanteks has a history of delivering value and performance with its cases, and the Eclipse G360A is no exception. At $100, it costs about $10 more than the current price of the previous Eclipse P360A, but you get an extra RGB fan and support for larger 360 radiators at the top and front. And with the new G360A, all 3 fans feature PWM for better efficiency, noise output and control. If that isn't worth an extra $10 to you, then you may want to scoop up the P360A while it's still available. Despite some quirks in its design, the Eclipse G360A is a truly great case for gamers on a budget. Heck, even if money isn't a major issue, it's still nice to get good airflow and attractive RGB without spending a lot. Sure, you could pay more for something else, but the Eclipse G360A is proof that you don't have to spend a lot of money to get a great breezy box for your PC parts.
Number 2 of my list.
Fractal Design Meshify. Fractal Design's Meshify 2 Compact offers an excellent foundation for simple ATX gaming systems, and a chassis that will stand the test of time well. It doesn't go out of its way to be eccentric, rather providing the user with a classy chassis that will look good for a long time to come, a chassis you can grow up with. And while its materials quality could be seen as a little lacking, this is a case where you pay for its excellent design, not only in looks, but also practicality. It has tons of cable management space, is laid out logically and with easy-to-access filters, a breeze to use and maintain as your daily driver.
And number 1.
Fractal Design North. We aren't sure who asked for a PC case that mixed mid-century modern design, wooden slats and all, and high airflow, but we sure are glad that Fractal Design answered with the excellent North mid-tower. Available with either a mesh side, as we tested, or tempered glass, and in white with chrome accents on the I/O and feet, or black with some seriously pretty brass, this is arguably the prettiest PC case ever produced, period. And thanks to its pair of 140mm fans and an included side bracket, for the mesh model, that can hold another pair of 140mm fans, not included, the North has excellent thermals as well. Just note that it can get noisy when delivering those temps. The glass side panel may help a bit on the noise front, but likely at the cost of at least some thermal performance.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.